Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Varsha, and if you're new here, then welcome again. I basically make videos on things that I do on a regular basis, things that I like, things that interest me, things that I feel that I want to share with other people. So that's my channel for you guys. And for today's video, I'm going to be making tofu chila. So I'll explain a little bit about it. Let's get into the video. Just a quick introduction about what chila is. Chila is basically made from gram flour, which is also called as besan, or in Tamil it is called as kadalamavu. So chila is nothing but mixing gram flour or besan with water into a thick paste, kind of like a dosa batter, and making it like a dosa. So that is basically chila. What people do is they add vegetables in it, or based on their preference, you can add as many vegetables as you want, or you can just make it plain just with some green chilies, cut green chilies, some coriander leaves or mint leaves, and yeah, make it like a dosa in a pan. So today's recipe is going to be something that I tried recently, mostly because my husband and I are trying to eat healthier, and we are finding alternatives to what we eat regularly in a healthier way. So this tofu chila is very simple to make. So before we start making this tofu chila, I would just like to add in a few benefits of both besan as well as tofu. So basically, besan is a great alternative to dosa, like I mentioned before, and it has a good amount of fiber in it, and it is great for weight loss. A lot of people make chilas instead of chapatis or rotis or parathas. This can even be had along with dal and other curries. This is a great item to use if you are looking at reducing weight, or it has very less number of calories as well. So this is one option that you can look into if you want to reduce weight. And about tofu is plant based, and it is made from soybean. So basically it has crazy amounts of protein, and it is amazing for vegetarians and vegans. If you're looking for sources of protein to add into your diet, tofu is amazing. Even paneer is amazing, but since today's video is about tofu, we'll talk about tofu. So yeah, that's about it about these two, and I'll show you what all I'm going to add for making this chila. So to make chila, I've added water to besan and made a thick paste, kind of like a dosa batter. And to this, I'm going to be adding some finely chopped capsicum, some onions, green chilies, and of course tofu. I've chopped it as small as I can, but yeah, you can chop it even more finely if you prefer it that way, or if you don't like tofu but you just want to include it in your diet, you don't want to feel the taste of tofu, then you can chop it further more finely. And I'm also adding some coriander. Mix all these together. You can make it even more watery if you want, depending on what kind of a tawa you have. If your tawa is awesome and it will give out awesome chilas, even if you add a little more water, then go ahead and do that. But my non-stick tawa is no longer non-stick, so I'm making it a little thicker so that it doesn't break when I'm making it. So after this, we just have to add some salt, depending on the quantity, some coriander powder, some red chili powder, and mix it all. You can add basically any masalas that you want to this. I'm just adding the basic ones. Depending on how you like it, you can enhance it or reduce it. Just add salt if that's how you like it. So this is the basic batter and it's ready. Now we just have to make the chilas. The batter is ready, and I've added onions and capsicum and green chilies, but you can add anything that you like. It's not that you have to add only this to make the tofu chila. You can even grate carrots into this if you prefer that. Because whenever I see a new recipe, I don't generally follow it exactly to the T, because I like adding my own tweaks into the recipe. So yeah, feel free to add whatever vegetables you like, and let's make the chila. So that's our tofu chilas ready for you. These are super simple to make. You just saw the video. Do try this at home with any other ingredients that you like, not necessarily tofu, but yeah, if you love tofu then you can add tofu as well. Not as well, make it with tofu and then let me know in the comments how they turned out. So yeah, that's about it for today's video, and if you liked today's video, give a thumbs up on this video, and also consider subscribing to my channel if you like similar content, and I will see you all again in another interesting video. Until then, take care and bye. Now I'm going to enjoy my dinner, so bye bye.